Hey everyone, we are Team HackJS and we have built Habits. This project covers problem statement 9 of HACKHAZARDS 2025. So what is Habits? Habits is a platform where people can come and build better habits. The features include smart tracking, progress analytics, social accountability, personalized goals, etc. Let's just get started. So for ease, we have just created an account right now. If we want, we can sign up as well. The things required for signing up are username, email address, password. That's it. For now, let's just sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard. The dashboard includes many things. So starting off, we get the streak of the habits, then we get the completion rate and the total number of habits that the user has. Next thing is that we get the QR codes. The QR codes is a very cool feature that we have built. So for example, if I have something like morning sketching, I'll get to sketching at 8 a.m. in the morning, and once near my drawing table only, I'll have this printed out. Basically, I can download this QR code and I can stick it up on the wall, and then that when I scan, this habit will get ticked off. So basically, this is easing a step for the user to just checking off their habits, and then there are streak stats. So basically, what streak is the user on? So basically, if they have a 7-day streak, then they will be on the seventh day. Basically, this is a cool way to show that what part of the ladder they are on. Next is the all habit streak. So basically, every habit and how much they've done each habit. Basically, next feature that we have is the For You section. So the For You page is basically using the Grok API, that is a sponsored technology of the hackathon, and this basically takes in all the habits that the user currently has and generates recommendations for them based on the habits that they have. So if I click on add this habit, then this habit will be directly added, and this list will be regenerated based on the habits that are currently there in this part of the website. Next part is the habit forest. Now this is a very cool feature. So basically all the habits that the user have, that will be represented in the form of trees in a forest basically. The more they basically do the habit and increase the streak of the particular habit, the more is the height of the tree of that habit. So now since this is 7, now this glows a bit brighter and the height of this tree is a bit higher as well. So like this, the users can see the habit forest that they are growing, and it will basically encourage them to keep coming and completing their habits every single day. Now the next feature is the scan QR. Basically, you can just upload the QR code and the habit gets ticked off. Now we'll just create a new habit, for example, uh, jogging, and daily, like evening 6 o'clock, I guess. This we can set, and to lose weight. Now these are the reminders that are there. So basically, we can set reminders. So either 15 minutes before, or we can change this like 10 minutes before as well. And then enable missed habit check. So basically, if the person misses the habit, then 30 minutes after they have missed the habit, they get an email. They can check this or uncheck this based on their preference. Now syncing with the Google Calendar is another feature that I'll come on to it later. So for now, let's just do 10 minutes before and create this habit. Right now it is 5:21, so let's just do 5:32 basically. Create habit. Okay, so in a minute I should get the mail on my device as well. Now this page is the progress section page. So here there are things like longest streak, the completion rate, the most productive time, and total completions. And then we get this basically a feature where they can see how many things they have completed on a particular day. So now they can see on April 25 we had 2 completions, and then on April 27 we had 3 completions, and so on and so forth. Now next is the daily completion rates basically. Now this on Sunday we completed 3 things, etc. The completion rate. And next thing is the share your progress. Basically we have made it very easy for the user to share their progress. Basically they can click and the message gets copied. Basically they can directly click on Twitter and their thing will write a proper tweet for them to just click post, and it will get shared on the socials as well. Next thing is WhatsApp, Facebook, and LinkedIn. All are possible for the user to share, and if they want they can generate this image and that also they can share. Next is the individual habit performance, similar to the one that we had in this section. If they want, they can get a larger view of the statistics, basically the monthly view, as well as the all-time view, basically, which will be a yearly view of the habits that they have been doing. Next is the partner section. So the partner section is that the user can search for any partner. Basically, if I search for test, I can send a partner request to test, and then that person will get the request as well. For now, we have just sent a request, and this is how the chats look like. Now the cool feature in this chat is basically, I'll show you the other end as well. If I send a hello from this side, now they can keep chatting about how they are doing with their habits and whatnot. But a cool feature in this is, like, if for example someone misses out on a habit, then the other person basically gets this message sent from their end. So basically, Romeiro Fernandes missed his habit called something, and that's why this message was automatically sent to the person from this device. So this is a cool feature that we have, so that the accountability partner gets to know if their accountability partner has missed out on a habit or no. Okay, so the next feature that we have is the achievements page. Now the person can see the achievements. We have created badges, like create your first habit, 5 habits, and then create 10 habits, and badges according to that, and so on. So this is the complete achievements page, so that the viewers get badges that they can showcase to other people and just share about their things. Next is, this is a very cool feature. So I can add something like running, uh, getting sub 30 in a 5 kilometer for a marathon. Okay, so this is the description of the habit and why we are doing this. Now if we click on generate, so using Grok API, we are generating mermaid code through which we can see a proper diagram which will show us a visualization of how we can perform this habit, the triggers that could start this habit for us, then the related habits to this, that is yoga for flexibility, and then strength training and endurance, then obstacles that can come in this habit, that is lack of motivation, injury or illness, etc. Next could be running. Then the rewards that we can get is a sense of accomplishment, improve physical health, and the steps to do this habits. So this is a perfect thing for the viewers if they want to try out new habits for themselves, and they can just come here and search for the habits. They can click save, and this habit will be saved as well. So these are the saved visualizations that we have. And then if they want to see the code, they can see the code as well. Now forecast, basically if they want to get a forecast for this habit, like if they keep on doing this habit daily for like future, basically 30 days, 90 days, and then a year, they'll get to know like what are the outcomes of this habit that could happen. So the challenges that they'll get in the first 30 days are lack of motivation, difficulty adjusting to morning routine, and potential minor injuries. Our endurance will increase after 90 days, and then after a year, mastery of the 5K easily, and then overall improve physical health, etc. So this is a perfect for the viewers to understand and develop new habits that they have never tried, and just get in that. If they want, they can download this as well, and the diagram will be downloaded in the form of SVG. Next feature that we have is the challenges section. Now this challenges section is a very cool feature as well. So if they want, they can join challenges. From now this end, we have joined all the challenges. So let's just try from this one. Okay. So yeah, now my challenges are that I've joined this challenge called as meditation. Now if I want, I could have just taken the QR code, and if I scan this QR code, I directly add 10% progress to the challenge. Now what are challenges basically? So people can come here and create challenges like for meditation for 7 days. So if you do the meditation for one day, you can come here, add your custom percentage of the day that you've done, and then you'll get a start date, end date, and the number of participants also in this. You can add the number of percentages as well. So like if I had 20% done like after 3 days, and I add this, then this should get updated. This updates, and then the others can also see the progress. If I want, I can join another challenge, and then I can see 2 challenges here, and I can put my progress for both the challenges as well. The live updates are also there, like basically what I've done. So I've updated the progress to this, and then I've joined this hackathon as well. Now another feature that we have is the AI coach. So basically a AI habit coach, if you have any doubt or any sort of problems that you want to ask, and you want uh, grok AI to help you out in that situation. We have AI habit coaches as well. So the coaches you can change. Uh, there is a supporting and encouraging coach. We have also a strict no nonsense coach drill. We also have all sorts of coaches, basically a witty humorous, a data driven methodical, and then energetic and inspiring coaches there. So all these coaches, and you can just chat to them and just get their views on a particular habit. How should I start my running journey? Okay, so this is energetic and inspiring. So it'll just start off with boohoo and then congratulations on my 2 day. It'll just give a perfect response based on the uh, coach, based on the setting that they are set on. These are the features that we have in this. Now I will show you the mails that I've gotten. This is the sample mail. Basically, it'll give me that this is the time for your habit. This will give me the name of the habit. Basically, for now it was a new one, and then it'll show me the schedule for what time and keep up the great work, etc. If I miss, then I get the mail for that as well. Last but not the least, we have the connect to Google Calendar feature as well. So we can come here, connect our Google Calendar. So for example, I'm connecting my Google Calendar like this. Let's continue. Okay, and that's then our Google Calendar and habits are synced right now. So for example, if I want to add journaling as well, so like journaling, I'm syncing it to the Google Calendar, habit updated successfully, then I get journaling every single day. So now that we've seen that we have added a habit here, if they don't want to keep that habit anymore, or for example, if they are like they don't want to continue with this habit anymore, they can just come here and delete that habit, and then it'll get cleared from this as well. So it was journaling, right? So we'll remove journaling, delete this habit, and this habit will get cleared from you, basically. Uh, or for example, they've added something like this habit synced with Google Calendar for now, and this is synced right now. In a while, 1 second. Okay, so here we can see that it is synced. For example, if they want to keep the habit but they don't want it to be synced in Google Calendar and they don't want to delete the habit as well, so they can just uncheck this box and save the changes, and this will clear this part as well. This is how we have integrated Google Calendar as well in our system, and this was Team HackJS and Habits signing off.